Hi, I'm Shirlz. Welcome to Dazzled Nails. And together we will be creating beautiful and luscious nails together. Whether you're using polygel or acrylic, sculpting, holographic effects, or anything in between, we will be covering it here on this channel along with all the latest styles, trends, and ideas. I really hope you like my videos and my video compilations, and I hope they give you the perfect ideas, and I hope they inspire you, and I hope you enjoy everything that we put out there. You can also visit us online, dazzlednails.com, where I will be adding items to the store very soon. Also, we will be auctioning off every set of nails that I create live on the YouTube stream on my website. Well, I guess that's about all. I just wanted to pop in here, say hi, and introduce myself, let you know that we exist. I hope you like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.